as well as keeping your hands and arms inside the train at all times.
I'm gonna record this. This will be posted on, will be in the same playlist as my bus videos.
Our railway opened back in 1962 and has been in daily operation ever since. The Locomotive Railway cars at Lexington are over 140 years old and used to carry passengers to and from Denver and the Rio Grande. As these railroad cars would tap into the tales of the gold rush, cowboys and sailors' dreams and fortunes, and of the pioneer spirit of the West. Fortune was on hand for the dedication of this railroad, and traditions have been maintained and remain. Friends, have a great journey, and we'll see you at the station.
Yeah, this will be in the transportation public bus videos. This is what Orange County had a long time ago before replaced with modern stuff. Also got the LA Metro in Los Angeles. I just forgot to mention that, and I did not even notice until now. This is similar to the LA Metro. That's how slow it goes? No way, it's about to be 9:30. Wait, let me film this scene one time, just because. This thing is low.
Alright, you're looking to have some in the air. Come on, Bob. There you go. Took you a minute. Good morning. Got anybody? You got anybody? We're getting you before you board the name. Can we have mine? It's right there.
Yeah, it's like just minor.
Alright, how much you got 5 cents? You got 1 cent? What happened there? You got ripped off with it. I would never rip you off. I would take your money if you had to. That's alright, you got the money back, kids, too. How about you? You got 5 cents? Give me 5 there, partner. You got 5?
I don't have any fives.
You got no money? Well, it's your day off, ain't it? Yeah, you. Well, I feel bad for you. You can't even afford a roof over your head. I know it's cold out here, yeah.
Yeah.
And they got walls over there. Nah, that's alright here.
The hell?
I don't know. I reckon if you can't afford a roof over your head, that's pretty indicative of your financial state. All right.
I'm not gonna stop filming, but the audio. This ride's broken. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. This is the only. So to get to downtown LA to the LA Metro, you can take the 460 to the all the way to the Norwalk station, or you can now take it to the 105 in Harbor